Hello there, and welcome back. What we're going to do in this video is solve an applied problem that uses right triangles to model the situation. So in this case, we have a radio tower that is located 400 feet from a building. So the building is the rectangular picture on the right, and the tower is the vertical line on the left. I know I didn't get too fancy there. From a window in the building, a person determines that the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 36 degrees, and that the angle of depression to the bottom of the tower is 23 degrees. How tall is the tower to the nearest foot? So as you can see, the distance between the tower and the building horizontally is 400 feet. So you notice I drew a dashed line here, and that is also 400 feet. And we know that the angle of elevation to the top of the tower, this angle right here, is 36 degrees. And we know that the angle of depression to the bottom of the tower is 23 degrees. Now, that big triangle itself is not a right triangle, but notice that using that horizontal, we really have two right triangles. So I'm going to draw two right angles there. Now, what we can do is if I call this side x and I call this side y, I can find x and y separately, knowing that they are parts of right triangles. So looking at the angle and the two sides that are given, or the side that we want and the side that's given, it looks like the tangent function is going to be very useful here. So for the lower triangle, we have tangent of 23 degrees is equal to the opposite side of 23 degrees, which is x, divided by 400, which means x is equal to 400 tangent 23 degrees. And then I'm going to find y as well. So we know that tangent of 36 degrees is equal to its opposite side divided by 400, which means y is equal to 400 tangent 36 degrees. So that means that the height of the tower is x plus y. So that says height is equal to x plus y. So I'm going to type into my calculator 400 tangent of 23. My calculator is in degree mode, which means it's going to treat 23 as degree measure, plus 400 tangent 36. I hit enter, and that means that the building is to the nearest foot 460 feet tall. Pretty tall building. Okay, so that is how we could use two right triangles in this case to solve a situation like this.